know. We love when you have to work hard. We love that for you. I do. Because then you won't be so spazzy, right? What's that? So, my brother's lovely... Okay, hold on, hang on. My brother's fiance gave us these for the calling, and these are a big hit. But I was also looking on Chewy this morning. Now, I'm not gonna buy anything, and I wish they sold gift cards, because they don't. Because I tweeted them and asked them if they sold gift cards, and they don't, which is annoying. Because you can't just, send somebody a gift card because you want to. But it's fine. So, I was looking on Chewy, and they have this, wobbler bobbler thing that looks like a klong, right? But it's got a hole, and, you either put food or treats in it. And I think I said this yesterday, but the video isn't up yet, so yeah. But I want to get that, because I think that'll be fun, because she has to push it out, and she has to get all of it out, and then it'll be like a treat, because it isn't in, a regular bowl. And they all like when I hand feed them anyway, so what's the difference between that and this? So, yeah, that'll be fun. But we're just waiting for the snow to start. Oh, hold on, Hope. I'm coming. Good ringing the bell. Good girl. Good girl ringing the bell. Yes, good girl. Come on. Yes. Good girl. Yes. Okay. Go ahead. Good girl. She's been doing super well with that. Super well. So, that's good. Knock on wood, no accidents in a really long time. Besides one, the day before I went to go visit Cassidy, which that was, 2 weeks ago? Probably almost, no, not a month yet, but knock on wood. And I'm really excited that she's going to lose her mind in the snow. But, yeah. But these are a hit. She likes these. Here, Sal. You want some? So the girls are outside, and me and Sully are inside. And I've been trying to catch up on YouTube, but it's difficult. Because it's I don't know. It's a lot. But I love all my people. But it's a lot. But, what the heck? 3 seconds you were out there. Because I have it on video and everything. Oh, okay. I'm going to go let her in now. Oh, something's on my nose. They delivered. Hey! What the? You know what? It's fine. What? What? Oh my god. Well, at least she's not going over the fence. Okay! What? You're in here. What are you gonna do? Yeah, Sally, you're the quiet one. You're a good boy. Hey. What are you doing? What? What is the intriguing thing over there? Is she watching? I don't know what she's watching, but she's watching something. Oh, Okay, now she's over there. She kind of blends in with everything, so it's hard, but no, she's good. You want to go out there too? Okay, hold on. Okay, go. Go. Come on, Sully, there's quite a breeze right now. Oh, she's just sitting there, people watching, I guess. There might be a squirrel in the neighbor's yard. I don't know. So it is 12:20 right now, and I just finished lunch, threw away the garbage, threw away all that. I know, Sully, really soon, buddy, really soon. And I'm gonna put Hope in her. Gonna put Hope in her crate right now with these. She likes these. And I wish I can show the crate scenario because it's been going so much better, but don't think I can because I would fall. Who's calling the house phone? I don't know, I don't answer it. But yeah, so we're gonna do that, and then I'm gonna go in the living room and chill. And yes, she's been doing better, but everybody deserves a break. So she can go have a nap. We can go in there. Maddie can do whatever she wants. And yeah. It is 2:40 and it is not snowing yet. But all after school activities are canceled. But yeah, and I haven't got my step goal in weeks. I have, oh, no, not a bad day. I have 1,500 steps right now. You know, it's cold and it hurts to move. And yeah. You know, I would have had it the day of the wedding and everything, but couldn't have my Fitbit on because, you know, a dress. And I left my Fitbit home. I didn't even bring it with me. And it's a good thing I did because mine has a black band, you know, whatever. But my dad wore his, which he shouldn't have because nobody was wearing them. And you could see his in every wedding picture too. I mean, it's bad enough that you could see my undergarments straps in a few of the pictures, but it's fine. But my mom's like, your Fitbit is showing, and he was like, so what? I got 14,000 steps, and he doesn't do challenges with anyone. I think I did it with him once. I don't know. Anyway, but yeah, I'm watching The Middle right now. I was just seeing what's on like the ABC Family / Freeform thing, because I don't normally watch this, but you know, I'm trying to see what's on, but I'm gonna check Hallmark right now. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, it's a cute little Christmas movie. It's on from 2 to 4, so I'm gonna watch this. And my mom should be calling here in a little bit because she should be on her way home soon. Because what time is it? It is 2:43, so trying to vlog a little bit more throughout the day. I really want it to start snowing, but the problem is that it's gonna snow like at 9 o'clock at night, so it's gonna be dark, and the dog is going out in the snow. But she's going out. I don't care. And you know what? I'm gonna get bundled up, and I'm gonna go too, because A, memories. B, pictures. C, I mean, somebody's got to go with her. So I'll go. But yeah, I've already like started editing the vlog for today, like the one that you're watching. So that's been fun. Am I seeing Nani today? I'm not sure. Probably not, because it's really cold, and you know, we'll see. But this looks pretty. Oh, it just turned to a commercial. But yeah, it'll be a lot of firsts this year for Hope. First time around a Christmas tree, first snow, first Thanksgiving, even though she won't be coming, because just no. But it's fine. And I found some training videos that I want to use. I still want to try the cupcake tin thing. Because, you know, maybe she won't like the snow. Like, she doesn't really, I mean, she doesn't mind the rain, but it's not like you're going to go play out in the rain. I mean, you can play out in the snow, but you get cold after a while. So she still needs something to do. So I think I'm going to try the cupcake tin thing. I was looking on Chewy. I actually sent my aunt's dog. They're Jewish, and I sent my aunt's dog a little toy. It's like those squirrel things, and you know, you hide it in like the tree, and that's the squirrel. But it's actually a dreidel, and then it's 3 little blue bears. And so I sent it to her, and that's fun. They got that a few days ago, I think. So yeah, that was fun. But honestly, Hope doesn't really need anything. She has more than she ever could possibly need. And then some. Probably just more stuff to chew on, honestly. But those Kong cookies are a hit, so I think I'm gonna get some more of those when we run out. So, we'll see. What we've waited for all day. This lighting is awful. Don't even know if you can see her. Oh, there's is that a plow? I think so. She brought her Kong out there because I think there's a cookie in there, so we have to find it. But look, it's coming. It's not on the grass though, it's only on the ramp, and Opie! Psst, 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 psst. There you are. Oh, what are you doing? Oh my god. Oh, what? Oh my god. Look at that fur. Look at that fur. Oh, ho, ho. Look at you. Look at you! Yep, the Kong is good, right? Where is it? Did you? Oh, okay. She's going that way. Look at the little prince. Go. Oh, she's looking for it. Because I think it fell through there. Mom! She's covered. Yeah. She threw the Kong off the side of the deck. And she's looking for it. But she's looking up at the snowplow because the snowplow's coming. Sally girl. I'm gonna go out with her in a minute. I'm gonna get dressed because I got inside clothes on, but not outside clothes. But I'm just gonna stay right here and then she can run around. Look at her. I don't know if you guys can see it, but she's all, well, actually, maybe not. Maybe she's just wet. But if that's the case, then we'll just use the towel. I found this dematting comb on Chewy that I want to get too. What are you doing? She like blends in, so you gotta watch and be careful. I don't think winter weight is going to be a problem for her because every day it snows. What? What? Can't probably see anything, but we're out here. Hey, Sully. Whee! Oh, she's chasing her with this shovel. Get it, Hope. Whee! Oh, zoomies. Oh, zoomies. Oh! Whee! Oh wow, a lot of snow. This stinks. Can't see anything.
You want to get out, go farther in the light over there?
No, it's fine. Whee! Run! Yeah! Whee! Hi, Sully! Go, Hope, run! Is she throwing it back to you? That's why?
No, she's just running.
Oh. Hey! It's coming down. Hopi! What do you think? Doodle, huh? Oh my god, this is blizzard. Blizzarding right now.
Huh?
It's blizzarding right now.
It's gonna be coming down pretty good.
I know.
Oh.
Whee! Hey! Run, run, run! Atta girl! Get it! Hobie! Wow. Wow, look at this.
Are you filming?
Yeah. Hopi, where are you? Hope, come. Look at my shoes. Wee! Hi, Sully! Hey, Hopi! Hey! Oh, doodle dog.